First, I owe a debt of gratitude to my younger brother, Don Reed. Without Don, I wouldn't be sitting here now. Don took me on my first general aviation flight in 1985 during his quest to become a military test pilot. For me, it was love at first flight. Even on that very first flight, Don stressed safety to me, a non-pilot. I've never forgotten his early teachings. I still use a checklist on each and every flight and grit my teeth when I see others who don't. God willing, it's time to take my brand of talents and experience and use it to help promote general aviation safety. During my 23 years in aviation, I became an aircraft owner, an instrument flight instructor, and most recently, in April of 2009, an FAA safety team representative. With the help of the FAA, a handful of GA manufacturers, and fellow pilots just like you, I created this website and the videos contained herein. The stars of these videos are not skilled actors, but aviation enthusiasts who possess the spirit to contribute. What is important is the message. Forgive our stylings.